Hi, cocktail connoisseur. I'm Abi, bar manager at Ceresio 7. Welcome in Milano. This evening, I will show you how we prepare our signature, called Tomacco. So, let's go to prepare it. Tomacco, it's a cocktail inspired by a classic Tommy's Margarita. For that, we use the mezcal. 25 ml of mezcal, 25 ml of tequila blanco, 25 ml, of mango water to give us tropical notes. Water is important for give a silky texture, really light. 30 ml of red bell pepper cordial, grilled red bell pepper, which give us umami and grilled notes. 15 ml of fresh lime juice, 10 ml of agave nectar, and the end we used 3 drops of salt solution. Let's shake it. So a short shaken to avoid a lot of dilution. A cold glass with ice cube, and we used a rim of dehydrated red bell pepper salt. Salute!